For this video, I'm going to talk about how to create groups. And so to do that, I need to make sure I'm signed in. So I'm signed in or logged into CS2N or the CS2N network. And then I'm going to go to Groups, this drop down here, and then click on Create New Group. And for this, I'm going to have to pick a group name, a description, and then pick an activity. So first, let me put demonstration group as the name. And then what I can do is I can put in a description, and for the description, you can put in instructions for your students. So you can say, welcome to the group. Please complete the activities below, something like that. Now for the name, what you can do is you can put in period 1, period 2, in case you have multiple periods, if you're a teacher, or just pick a name that makes sense so that you can distinguish the different groups that you'll be creating. And then the next thing you want to do is click on an activity to start with. So if I click on here, I can select an activity that's available to me that I can provide for my students. And so if I go to, let's say, EV3 movement might be a good one. And then that will be the first activity that they will see, my students will see. The next choice that I have is the group joining policy. And so I can either have it so that it's open. And so what I can do is I can just give them the group code or the group join link, which we'll talk about, and then they can join the group without any sort of approval. And so, which brings up the next choice here, which is a closed group, which requires that you approve every person or every student that joins your group before they can actually view any activities or any information. And so if you want like a private group and not let certain select students, or you have certain activities that are only for specific students, you can do a closed group. Now I'm going to choose open group, and then I'm going to create the group, and you'll see that it has been created. Okay, and then you'll see that you can see all the members, which right now I don't have any. I just created the group, and then I have my activities on the right. You'll see the description that you put up at the top, and then you can edit the name or the group if you click on the gear. I also have the ability to see any messages that I've sent. If I want to send a message to the members, I can look at and allocate or purchase exam registrations for my students. This is only for folks who have been through our training and have been certified. And so if you want to give them a certification track, you can do it through here. And then I can take a look at any competition leaderboards on this tab. Okay, so that's groups. That's how you create a group and how you can add your first activity.